Okay, so let's do a full tour of what it's like to have dinner. We're actually starting at the dessert end. Things will vary each night, but this is tonight's selection. Then the next section is pans, more like children's meals here. Bread rolls, nachos, snack time, next one up is charcuterie, and now we're at Mamma Mia. So this is Italian. Onto Asia. Now barbecue. Coral. Salt and lemon. Just salad. Local flavours. And then it's a bit busy down this end because it's dessert time. But this is fresh fruits. And the busiest section, Summer Sensations, which is more desserts. And it ends with ice cream at the end. And there you go. So that is a full rundown of everything that you can get for dinner. I should say this is filmed maybe about 20 minutes before dinner stops. So dinner stops at the moment at 10 p.m. Obviously that might vary depending on when you come. So it's not normally this empty. There's normally more people here, of course. But there you go.